Hi, my name is Christian Carpeso and I'm the author, creator, and owner of ChristianCarpeso.com. I'm also an OFW or an overseas Filipino worker here in Dubai, UAE, and a part-time online network marketer. So this will be bonus video number 2. So kung napanood niyo po yesterday yung bonus video number 1 na pinablish ko, it talks about should ask questions number 1. So this will be should ask question number 2 na sa tingin ko po ay dapat tinatanong po ng mga customer ng SWA. So, ang should ask question number 2 na ito ay what will be your job in SWA? So, since online business po ito, meron po kayong specific na trabaho once you join SWA. So, ang 2 main job nyo po sa SWA ay sales and marketing. So, maaari pong nagulat po kayo kung bakit naging ganun. I-explain ko po. So, it's not just sharing, tagging, liking, commenting, or copy-pasting on Facebook or any other social media site. Lahat pong ito ay tinatawag na marketing strategies. So katulad nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, ang isa po sa magiging main job nyo dito sa SWA ay marketing. And when it comes to sales naman po, you have to develop sales skills tulad ng sorting, answering objections, and closing. So, pagdating naman din po sa sales and marketing, meron pong tinatawag na effective sales and marketing techniques and strategies at meron din po ineffective sales and marketing strategies. But ang good news po, dito po sa product ng SWA na Supreme Wealth Library, kompleto po tayo ng mga trainings to boost your sales and marketing skills. So hindi po kayo mag-aalala kung paano po kayo magsisimula na i-market at ibenta itong Supreme Wealth Library. So in summary po, your 2 main job in SWA is sales and marketing. So again, thank you po for watching this bonus video number 2. So tomorrow po, meron po uling isang bonus video. Ito po yung bonus video number 3. Abangan po natin bukas. So again, this is Christian Carpeso of ChristianCarpeso.com. Have a nice day.